Ha ha ha. I rushed that. So I erased that.
So it's not really the end.
Yeah.
You cover it with more. Let me just refresh. So did you change anything that happened before?
No?
Just the people outside are actually melting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Quite scary.
And a boy got a big surprise. And then he got a good idea. That idea was to make a time machine and change the past. But there is important problem. The sun was more bigger and bigger. And he need a safe house to not melt in the sun. Then he found some special what's this called?
Substance?
Substance.
So something like something squishy, like sunscreen. Sun cream.
His house's facility. He has like sunblocker material.
Substance. It was now melt in the sun.
Mm-hmm.
And he got this substance and stick that outside of his house. Then his house became stop melting. So now
Wait, how do you stick it out inside?
the house pocket.
Yeah, how do you do that?
If he goes outside, he's going to melt. This is what happens when you write instead of draw pictures. If you draw a picture of him outside, then you would know straight away, oh my gosh, you can't go outside. But once you start writing, all the words can distract you from the big idea that you can't go outside unless you got some special costume on or something. But keep going. This is good.
Okay, so now he starts to make a time machine. And then 20 minutes later, he make a time machine.
Genius!
I wish I could do that.
And he go to when he found the gun. And he close his eye. And when he open his eye, the gun is in his hand.
So he didn't close both eyes? A eye?
Yeah. And
Like
he,
this?
Yes, and he hide that into his clothes and grab his clothes to a gun can't fall down.
You mean he wrapped the gun in his clothes?
Yes, like this. When I do this and like this.
The marker.
Marker touched Mikey's titty.
No, not kitty. And when and he go to his house fast because he do not want to meet with his sister.
Okay,
To be continued.
just a moment. Okay. So you got so much information in these 3 frames here, Mikey. What we can do is spread it out a bit. So he got a good idea, yes. Suddenly, I know what to do. Let's list this on the whiteboard.
I'm gonna build a time machine in 20 minutes.
I'm gonna make a time machine in 20 minutes. That's great idea number 1. Okay.
He's so genius. Why couldn't Albert Einstein didn't thought that?
Albert Einstein was a moron compared to this guy. Anyway,
He's such a genius.
moron means fool.
He won.
Make a time machine and change the past. Yep. But there was an important problem. The sun was bigger and was getting bigger and bigger, he needed a safe house. Okay. So he found a special substance.
Yeah.
Really, really lucky. Okay. So in a story, luck needs to be explained a little bit so that it's clear. What you can do, again, remember the word setup? If you use the time machine and the substance as setups earlier in the story, then it just feels better. It doesn't feel like magic luck. It feels more realistic. So what is a point? Where is a point where there could be a substance that could stop things from melting in the sun?
His dad is a substance maker. There's actually a job for that, making substance, new materials.
So he was. Did he make this?
Yeah.
Does it say why he made this? He didn't like the seasons, right?
Teacher.
Okay, so you could tie in that idea somewhere in here.
Maybe this guy is this guy's grandfather.
Okay.
So he got prepared. Because when someone finds the gun, he can block himself.